This is a video demonstrating how our company Sloane is going to use data from the scopes that we're applying for to get verified. So www.sloane.com. This is an AI phone service for small, medium-sized businesses, AI receptionists, if you will. You sign up, set up your profile, connect your phone if you want, and then Sloane answers calls. As a turnkey onboarding process, you can either use Google Profile Scraper or Internet Scraper. We're going to use Google Business Profile as an example here. So you just type in your business. We use Google Autocomplete to find the business and by local area, and then extracts the business data. Takes 10 seconds or so. Analysis is complete. It plays a demo of what the sound of the AI receptionist sounds like. And the user can just play. It just says, "Hi, thanks for calling the business name. How can I help you?" And then it brings you to the sign up. You can use Google Auth, OAuth, or email verification. This example, we use OAuth. And this is already set up, by the way, because Google's great. Let us use this without getting verified. And it logs you in. And this is where you see your dashboard. It auto-provisions a number. We use the service Telenex for that, that you can use for your business. And so you get a free number right away, just even on the free plan. And you can see it's scraped all the data with GBP, business hours and whatnot, and the user can change those. There's lots of different fields the user can elect to use or not use. And these are all just training the AI digital receptionists when they answer the phone. Now, going over the Google Calendar, they just select it and connect Google Calendar there. It goes through the normal OAuth process. We're going to connect the same account again. This is my account, solamichael@gmail. Continue. This is a test, of course, so that's why it said those things. And then the calendar settings are uploaded successfully. You get the success message. And below you can turn on, you can turn off. So the user does not have to use the calendar. And it's not on by default, by the way. They have to elect to turn on after they create their account. And then these things connect to the calendar settings in Google: duration, buffer, before and after, meetings, all that kind of stuff. And like I said, you could turn it off. And there's a user profile here where you can delete data. You can delete your account. You can delete the recordings from the AI receptionist. You can do a number of things. We've made it very clear that we do not, in our privacy policy, sell data or anything like that. We don't use cookies or anything. And you can have more time. There's pricing plans. So there's a free plan. That's how we get people initially, and they can upgrade for additional minutes per month. And this is our Google account that we use. And you could see the Google social login there. That's what we've already set up for the OAuth, login and returning users. And in this case, we're using the same Google OAuth for the calendar. So all those URIs, redirects are in place. So that's it, I believe. You have everything now. Hopefully this video answers all your questions. We're really excited to use your product. And we're really excited to get Sloane going. Thanks.